everyone, look what I have. I'm not going to toss it in the air because I don't know what's in here and something may break or leak. So this here is a box a subscriber and friend of mine sent. We did a trade. So if you follow me, thank you. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. I do a lot of beauty subscription unboxings and I get a lot of products that just aren't my jam. I have very short hair, which I get cut every 6 weeks or so. So any kind of hair product I really don't use, but they love hair care products. So I will pull some products aside that I know I'm not going to use for a trade box. Let's dive in and see what they sent me. All right, I already smell something that smells spectacular. So I'm hoping there are some perfume samples in here. All right, let's start with the first item. She graciously packaged everything really well so that nothing would leak. All right, what is this? It's from Tree Hut and it's a Tropic Glow Fragrance Shimmer Mist. What? I get fragrance, I get shimmer mist. I've never heard of the two put together, and I don't wear shimmers because my body is not to be seen in public if at all possible. But let me just put some on my wrist here and see how shimmery. All right, and also what it smells like. Is this the one that you said is going to smell like the Boom Boom Cream? Because it smells more tropical citrusy. It smells lovely, and it really doesn't have that much of a shimmer. Okay. I just worry, like, will it show shimmery in my hair, or if I only spray it on my neck, will I have a blob of, like, shimmer there? Let me play around with this a little more to know if I truly need to put it everywhere. Or also, can you put this on your face? Let me know, because I love my skin to glow. All right, she did send a ton of perfume samples. And of course, the first thing I try on is something with a scent. So now I really won't be able to smell any of these. Why did I do that? Okay, so I am trying to get into more perfume scents, but I'm not the best at describing them. I'm also kind of, I don't want to say picky, but particular when it comes to scents. I don't like anything with rose. I don't like anything that's too masculine or unisex scented or too earthy or too this, too that. I love sweet fruits, vanillas, and certain florals, not all florals. Let me just burn through these really fast so the video is not 18 hours long. This here is from Replica, and it's Maison Mangiella. This is from Guerlain, and it's Aqua Allegoria. This is from Chanel, and it's called Chance. This is Paradox from Prada. Ooh, this one I have smelled before. This is La Vie Belle from Lancôme, and I do enjoy that scent. Ooh, and there is a second La Vie Belle, so yes. Ooh, and this is Black Opium from Yves Saint Laurent. I've heard of this perfume, but I've never smelled it before. I'm gonna have to smell these at a later date because this scent that I sprayed on is beautiful, but it's just everywhere. And I know I wouldn't be able to figure out what the actual scent of these other perfumes were if I tried to smell them right now. This here is Le Lalou by Rosie Jane. This is Juliet Has a Gun and is Vanilla Vibes. And then she also included many different foil pack samples of skincare. All right, the next products came in this Ipsy bag, and there were 2 products in there. They both feel like some sort of a palette. All right, so this is an eyeshadow palette from Lash Step. I want to say I already own this. This came in an Ipsy BoxyCharm by Ipsy. It is a beautiful nude palette. The second package has 2 of what I love, and I don't think they make them anymore. These are from Pacifica, and they are little duos. So this one is Desert Sunset, and this one is Glimmer Shimmer. It's going to have a mirror on the back and 2 pans of either like a blush and a highlighter, or a highlighter and a bronzer, or a blush and a bronzer. All right, so this has a highlighter, and a blush. And this one comes with a blush and a bronzer. All right, we have another Ipsy bag. Let's see what she put in here. All right, there are 3 separate little lunch bags. Let's open up the first one. Ooh, I see some products from Sol de Janeiro. All right, so this is an interesting sample. I've never seen a sample like this before. This here is the Bom Dia Bright Cream. And then I have a little mini Bum Bum Cream or Boom Boom Cream. And this one is in the scent Beija Flor. This here is from a brand called Hemp's. And it is a Citrus Blossom Vitamin C Body Lotion. Ooh, I love things that smell like citrus. Ooh, that smells really, really good. Almost like an orange Julius. It's a very sweet citrus scent. More orange than lemon. Ooh, I'm going to enjoy that. And then I have a sample Perfect Legs body butter from This Works. All right, the next little lunch bag has some squeezy tubes. Ooh, I love stuff from Kapari. What are you? This is the Ultra Restore Body Butter. Oh, yes. I've already emptied one. I'm going through a second one. Okay, so this is safety sealed. What scent are you in? Is this the one I like? That's coconut. Oh, I think it's different. This is prickly pear and coconut oil. I love the scent of pear. And yes, these are both the same scent. Here we have a hand cream from Bath & Body Works. This is in the scent Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. OMG. Okay, this is not safety sealed, so I should be able to smell it. Ooh, that smells so good. And here we have a hand cream from the Grown Alchemist. All right, here is the third baggie. And this seems to have some makeup items. All right, so this here is from Ciate London. And this is it's a BB cream. For some reason I thought it was going to be a highlighter. Okay, I love BB creams. Here we have a sample mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. Let me know if this is a tubing mascara. Here we have a sample from Wet n Wild. This here is the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Pink Really Hard. Here we have a sample of a tinted juice-infused lip oil from the Ulta Beauty line, and a sample of a tinted lip oil from Cab Cosmetics, and a sample highlighter from a brand called So Rich, and this is their Glow Light. All right, and then in the last Ipsy bag that was in the box, we have 2 products from Bath & Body Works. Again, she packaged them up nicely so nothing would leak. Yay! I love foaming hand soaps. These are from Bath & Body Works. This here is in Frosted Coconut Snowball, and this is Winter Candy Apple. So that was everything that was in my trade box. Let me know if you have tried any of these products or if anything caught your eye. Heads up, I did another trade box with a different friend/subscriber, and that video will come up in another week or so. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.